Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to episode 97 of TrainspotEast. And today we're at London Bridge on the North Kent Line, Southeastern Main Line, South London Line and Brighton Main Line. Where today services are going to be provided by Southeastern and Southern. And today I'm being joined by AT Trains, TrainspotEast, Trains Around Kent, and I have no idea.
Let's find out what his name is, because I can't.
I have been reminded by the friendly, he is Roscoe Train 107. And now arriving in is 2 Juliet 12, the 0932 Southern Service terminating in from West Croydon.
40 Southern Service to West Croydon.
455
Calling at South Bermondsey, Queen's Road, Peckham Rye, East Dulwich, North Dulwich, Tulse Hill, Streatham Common, Norbury, Thornton Heath, Selhurst and West Croydon. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform
and 455
40 Southern Service to West Croydon.
And departing is also 465176 with 2 Echo 18, the 0934 Southeastern Service from Charing Cross to Dartford. That will be calling at Lewisham, Lewisham, Blackheath, Welling, Bexley Heath, I have no idea. And arriving in here is another pairing of 455s with 2 Alpha 22, the 0935 Southeastern Service from Gillingham to London Charing Cross. And now arriving in 0937 is 2 Bravo 18, the 0944 Southeastern Service from Dartford to London Charing Cross. I'll move forward now so that there's less thing in the way. Moving forward so there's less thing in the way. Yes, I'm going to leave this in. And this is 465913 on the front.
Please keep your personal belongings with you at all times when on the station. For your safety and security, CCTV is in constant use. If you see something that doesn't look right, please speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Govia, 465.
Oh no, that was at Gillingham this morning. That's in at 17 past.
Oh, 004. Oh, so this is
And on the rear is 465004. I thought, no, this is the set I saw at Rochester.
Passengers for services to Horsham, Caterham, and other Southern Metro and mainline destinations are advised to travel via the London Underground to London Victoria and change there for train services. Passengers for services to Uckfield are advised.
And now arriving in is 2 Lima or 2
May I have
Indigo.
your attention, please? Passengers
2
for
Indigo
services to
18
West
at the
Croydon
0949
via Forest Hill are advised that replacement buses are in operation between New Crossgate and West Croydon, calling at all stations via Forest Hill. To connect with the replacement buses, passengers are advised to travel on the London Underground, Jubilee Line to Canada Water, and change there for London Overground services to New Crossgate.
From the 465155. And on the rear is 465188. And also departing there is 465036. And 465170.
I'm that sort of
And
person
arrived in, I didn't get it because there was some people doing checks.
Another one.
Oh, good.
As a plane.
Okay, and arrived in though was to Hotel 68, the 0948 Southern service, terminating in from Beckenham Junction. This one would have called at Birkbeck, and it was 455 at 8:30. And now arriving in is another thing, a Southern 455.
Okay, here is another Southern unit.
This is 1 Golf 44 from Tatton Corner,
13,
455 844.
9:56, Southern service to Beckenham Junction. Calling at South Bermondsey, Beach Road, Peckham Rye, East Dunwich,
And that's
North
455
Dunwich,
844 from
Tulse
Tatton
Hill,
Corner.
West Norwood, Gypsy Hill, Crystal Palace, Birkbeck and Beckenham Junction. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 13.
Just departing off there, I had a phone call. Thanks, mi padre. Gracias, mi padre.
Did he ruin your filming?
Well, it completely stopped the video. So, departed off there was 1 Papa 15, the 0950 Southern service, Tatton Corner.
Via Forest Hill.
You're gonna what?
To connect with the replacement buses,
No, we're not.
passengers are advised
We're not riding them.
to travel the London Underground,
Oh,
Jubilee Line
it's
to
because they're
Canada
moist.
Water, and change
Thanks.
there for London Overground services
I really want
to New
to. I
Crossgate.
want to get on a Chiltern Railway services today, just so that, like, if it's Chiltern,
that,
maybe.
so I want to do that as well.
Because I think they run 168s on services that stop within Zone 6.
Exactly. I've got a tube back in my pocket. I could use that.
Imagine if they ran the short sets on services that stopped within Zone 6.
This train will perform an extra stop.
Oh, yes! If only. Departing now is 455 815.
Pulling away now is 455 815 on the.
With 2 Hotel 73.
Where's that going?
To Beckenham Junction.
The 0957 Southern service to
Beckenham Junction.
Beckenham Junction.
That's 465 815 on the front.
455 815.
Oh, yeah, it's 455, not 465.
No, I keep making that mistake as
London
well.
Victoria
Okay.
and change there for train services. Passengers for services
It's
to Upton
455
are advised to
803.
change at East Croydon for train services. Please
And we will
note,
see
not
what's
some
next here
tickets
at
are loaded
London
on the
Bridge.
underground services to
And now arriving in is 465 023.
Now it's 465 023 on the
Other one. And 465 191.
465 191 on the rear. It's the 1004 Southern service, Southeastern service from Gillingham to London Charing Cross.
And it is on to Alpha 24, the 1005
Also
Southeastern
pulling away
service from
there,
Gillingham to Charing Cross.
455 830.
And also pulling away is 455
on
830.
the 1010 Southern service to West Croydon.
With 2 Juliet 25, the 1010 Southern service to West Croydon.
I have no idea where that's
And that's 455 830 off to West Croydon. And now arrived in is 2 Oscar 22, the 1011 Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Orpington. Ooh, 12 minutes is the train going to my house. My home. This is calling at like everywhere. Like, it's got so many stations, it actually won't scroll all the way. But it's formed of 465 188. And also arriving in is 465 020 with 2 Bravo 20, the 1014 Southeastern service.
Southeastern train service to Charing Cross.
to London Charing Cross from Dartford.
This train is full of 8 coaches.
5020 on the front. Yeah, the announcers here say Southeastern Trains, which is what Stagecoach are going to call it if they take over. Which I do not like. And on the back it's 465009. And with that, we'll see what's next here at London Bridge. And now arriving in is 2 Hotel 70, the 1021 Southern service from Beckenham Junction. 12:20 or 10:21. And with that, we'll see what's next here at London Bridge. And arriving in is 2 Indigo 20, the 1019 Southeastern service from Orpington to London Charing Cross. And also departing
Sorry for the shaky camera.
is 1 Papa 17, the 1027 service.
The 1018
to
Southeastern service
Tattenham
to
Corner.
London Charing Cross on 2 Indigo 20 from Charing Cross to Orpington.
No. It's formed of 465249 and something else in the rear.
465249.
Platform 5 from the 1019 Southeastern train service to Charing
The
Cross.
stitching is so bad.
Makes me happy.
And Charing Cross. This train is formed of 8 coaches. 1023 Southeastern train service to
Southeastern trains makes me so happy.
Greenwich, Charlton, Woolwich Arsenal, Abbey Wood, Dartford,
And on the rear is 465172. That one's always got graffiti on it.
Also pulling in
I would just turn the camera around for a sec.
This
2
train
Lima
is
26
full
on
of
the
8 coaches.
And now arriving
1023
in is
Southeastern
2
service to
Greenwich
Gillingham.
for a bus service to
1020
Lewisham,
5.
Hayes and
To-
Bexley Heath.
The
46504.
Southeastern Trains service to
Southeastern
Gillingham.
trains makes me so happy.
Formed
you
of
don't even understand.
465004.
Anyway, we'll see what else turns up here.
I
at
saw this one when I was
Bridge.
actually waiting for my train.
Right.
And 465004 is now departing onto its next stop of Lewisham.
2 Lima 26, the 1023 South Gillingham on the Charing Cross. Oh, that's obnoxious. The rear is going to be 465913.
On the rear. They head off to their next stop of Lewisham.
They hand off
See
to
what's next here
Gillingham.
at
The
London
next
Bridge.
stop for that will be...
Okay, so we are now going to go off to our next stop.
Oh yeah, I better do that.
If you have enjoyed what you've seen here,
I hope you
at
enjoyed
London
this
Bridge,
video.
do the
That was the
usual.
last service we were going to film.
Today
Today I was joined by
for
AD
no-
Trains,
for episode 98
AT
of
Trains, I knew
Trains
that. TrainspotEast,
for episode 98 of Transat, we are going to be at
Roscoe
London
Trains
Waterloo.
107, I knew that.
Same people.
Ross next video, which will be London Waterloo. This was Series 1, Trains at Series 1, Episode 9.